Hello everyone. If you saw my post earlier, you would have saw that I pulled a very special card, a QCR. You can go check the post out and see what I pulled. I didn't record it, unfortunately, but we got some rarity collection packs. We're going to open them right now. Let's see what we pull. We got some nice, excellent rarities. Let's see what we pull. Chaos Base. Ooh. Hey. Harvey's Feather Storm. I think that's secret rare. Oh, Droplet. Nice. Oh, X-Rav. Another one. Like those. We got Ultra. I want to say that's an Ultra. Yeah, Ultra. We got Secret. We take those like that. I don't really care. Sometimes the camera doesn't focus when it should be focusing. Yeah. So Black Wings, oh, okay, we got a Secret Rare, Effect Railer, Ultra Call by the Grave. Wait a second. Oh, it's Ultra Galaxy Eyes Full Armor Photon Dragon. I think it's Ultra. Yeah. Yeah, Lightning Storm. Nice. Been any card in here that you're looking for, let me know. And I'll mail it out to you. You know, Christmas gift. Just leave it down in the comment section what card you're looking for. And boom, we'll jump right into this. Reasoning. Ooh, Tracker Dragon. Tracker Dragon. D-Shifter Ultra. Cragosipelia Ultra. Ice Barrier. That first pack I opened that wasn't recorded might have been the best pack so far. That might be crazy. But it happens. Yeah. Ooh. Talent. Let's see. I can't even focus in. Ooh, okay, we got I think this is a platinum rare, platinum secret rare. Dogmatica, Claudia the Virtuous, Ultra Striker Dragon, Ultra Nibiru, and okay. I think that first pack I pulled, or I think that might have been the best pack. Let's hope not. Oh, we got Lava Golem. We take those. We like that. Lava Golem. Ooh, Dingerso. Secret Rare. Times C for Doer. Ghost Bell. Dragonipelia. Alright. We got 3 packs left. Can we pull an Ulti, a Collector? Maybe even, what do you call it? A, QC. Okay, we pull another QCR. Probably not, but let's see. Let's hope for the best. Ghost Trick. Down in the Magician. Spectre Border. Oh, no. Okay, this is Ultimate Rare. Alright. Ice Barrier. Another Spectre Border. Where is it? Where am I? MST.TV sleeve, of course. Ooh. That goes for Ultimate Rare. I'm gonna go back and make sure those wearing Ultimate Rare. Okay. Primary Revolt. Ooh. Okay, I think we got a Secret Rare, I think a Platinum Secret Rare Red Flare Metal Dragon, Tour Guide, Dogmatic Punishment, Nibiru. Nice. What's the last card we pull? Let's see what we pull. Let's see what we pull. This came upside down. Numeron. Oh! We pulled another QCR. 2 QCRs. If you go watch the post, oh my god. We pulled another QCR. I got a post. The one pack I opened is a QCR. We got another QCR. It's sorry that, oh my god. The focus on this is so bad. But yeah. We got a 25th anniversary QCR Dimension Barrier, Lightning Storm, and the Deer and Celine. We got another QCR. Yo, 2 QCRs, yo. Oh, Merry Christmas to me. Oh my goodness. I'm keeping this one. This is a Christmas present to me. But if you're looking for any Lightning Storms, Talons, Dropless, any cards in here, minus the QCR and all day, even if you want the expected border all day, let me know. Boom, but we got, oh my goodness. Woo! Thank you for watching, Mr. Blank, for another video. I'm back. Got more Yu-Gi-Oh content. Also got Pokemon content coming out. You know, thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. I mean, if it's shining bright like this, a QCR Dimensional Barrier, the second one. Yeah, I pull. You're gonna see the post of which one I pull. Peace.